Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be creating this beautiful grungy matte brown smoky eye look along with a brownish nude lip, and this look is quite easy to achieve and anyone can do it. So let's get started. I have already moisturized my face and I am spraying in some MAC Fix Plus to add a boost of hydration back into my skin. And next I'm going to be using my primer. I'm using the Color Bar Perfect Match primer, which is a silicone based primer, and it works beautifully to blur out the large pores and fine lines on the skin and makes the skin super smooth and gives a smooth canvas to work on, and it's quite affordable as well. Once that's done, I'm moving on with my foundation. I'm using the Bobbi Brown Skin Foundation Stick in the shade Beige. This foundation, you guys, is one of my favorites. The formula is so good, and because it comes in a stick, it's super easy to apply and very easy to travel with as well. I'm just drawing some lines all over my face and just blending it out using a flat buffing brush by Morphe. As you can see, I'm going in with short strokes and not dragging the foundation in. This helps in pushing the product very well into the skin, and it does not just move the product around. And next I'll be using a corrector, and I'm going in with the Bobbi Brown Intensive Skin Serum Corrector in the shade Peach Bisque. The peachy tone of the corrector really helps in cancelling out the darkness under my eyes, and as you can see, it makes a huge difference. Next I'm going in with my concealer. I'm using the Bobbi Brown Full Cover Concealer, and I'm using this brush by Bobbi Brown to blend in the corrector and concealer. This is one of my favorite brushes, guys, and it works beautifully in blending out the concealer. And to set everything in place, I'm using a translucent powder. This one is by BenNye, and I'm focusing it mainly under my eyes and around my mouth and the areas where I get a bit oily, which is on my inner cheeks and on my T-zone. And then whatever is left on the brush, I'm just using it on my rest of the face. Moving on to the brows, I am using the Innisfree Auto Brow Pencil to fill in the gaps in my brows. And I'm using the spoolie on the other side to blend in the color. Starting with the eyes, I'm going in with the Bobbi Brown Cream Shadow Stick in the shade Bark. It's a very nice neutral brown kind of shade, and I'm just applying it very roughly on my lids, focusing mainly near my lash line, and I'm also going in with this on my lower lash line. These sticks are very creamy and they glide on very smoothly on the lids, and these are very easy to work with, and I absolutely love them. Next, I'm just blending in the cream shadow with a dense flat eyeshadow brush. These cream shadows give a very good work time, and it also sets after a while. Next I'm using the Morphe Jacklyn Hill palette and picking the shade MFEO as my transition shade. It's a light peachy brown with warm undertones. I'm going in with a fluffy blending brush onto my crease using windshield wiper motions. I'm also applying the same along my lower lash line. Next I'm going in with a medium brown shade and I'm using it along my lower lash line with a pencil brush. This will sort of give it more definition and dimension. I'm also going in with it onto my crease to intensify it further. Unfortunately, my camera stopped recording here, so I missed shooting a part of it, but I'm going to redo the steps for you guys. So I just lined my lower waterline and tight lined my upper waterline with the K-Beauty gel kajal, and then I went on with the deeper brown shade in the palette, which is called Chip, and I'm just smoking out very close to my lower lash line and making sure that I don't overlap the earlier shade. Next I'm using the shade Mocha all over my lids, and with a flat eyeshadow brush I'm laying on the color with dabbing motions. Once again I'm blending out my crease so that there are no harsh lines. Next, I'm going in with the shade Enlight to highlight my inner corners and my brow bones. Using the medium brown shade in the KatVonD Shade and Light palette, I'm contouring my face. I'm contouring under my cheekbones, my jawline and my forehead. As I have a very broad forehead, I need to contour it quite a bit. In case you have a smaller forehead, you can skip this step. I'm also contouring my nose with the same shade. To finish the eyes, I'm going in with the Bobbi Brown Eye Opening Mascara. This mascara is really nice. It gives a very nice curling effect to the lashes along with length and volume. It's definitely a must try. For the blush, I'm going in with the Desert Rose blush by MAC. It's a very nice muted rosy pink and it looks good on almost all skin tones. Next, I'm going in with the Bobbi Brown Shimmer Bricks in the shade Beige to highlight the highest points of my face. Highlighting really complements a matte look and it elevates the look to another level. Starting with the lips, I'm going in with the Lakme 925 lip pencil in the shade Brick Rose. It's a very nice nude lip pencil and it's a must have for every girl. I'm going to first line and fill my lips with the lip pencil. Next, I'm going in with the Lakme 925 Matte Mousse Lip Color in the shade Coffee Light. It's a very nice cool toned brownie nude kind of shade and it's complementing this look pretty well. And that's the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and liked the look that I created. This look is very simple and easy to do. I hope you guys would give it a try and let me know how you like it by commenting down below. All the products that I've used in the video will be listed in the description box below along with their buying links. And please do subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so that you get notified every time I post a new video. And if you guys have any suggestions for my next video, please feel free to comment down below. And if you guys want me to review any of the products that I have used in this video, do let me know. I would love to do it for you guys. And I'll see you guys soon in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye.